This woman discovered her husband had secretly taken wedding photos with another woman. That woman turned out to be her secretary who had worked for her for 10 years. Shia was shaking with rage when she saw the photos. Soon the secretary received a court summons. She immediately became the hot topic of discussion among colleagues. What shocked the secretary even more was that the person suing her was her own boss, Shia. Upon hearing Shia's voice, the secretary guiltily lowered her head. Shia remained composed, radiating a powerful presence, as if she could crush the secretary at any moment. Realizing her secret was exposed, the secretary stopped hiding. She loudly challenged Shia, since the marriage was already broken, why not allow someone else to step in? Shia had seen too many divorce cases. All mistresses said the same shameless words to justify themselves. But what Shia didn't expect was that her husband, who also received a summons, said the exact same thing. After Shia calmed down, Jisoo entered the room. Jisoo asked her why she was assigning this divorce case to him. Shia said that although she could win this case on her own, she also needed different perspectives and approaches. As an intern, Jisoo was perfect for helping her spot any issues. Meanwhile, her husband hired a top-tier divorce attorney at great expense to fight for custody of their child. After seeing the solid evidence of the husband's public affair, the lawyer immediately proposed an out-of-court settlement and suggested splitting the assets 50-50. The secretary completely agreed with this proposal because she had no interest in becoming a stepmother. But Shia was determined not only to leave her husband with nothing, but also to hold the secretary accountable for destroying a family. Jisoo thought this was unrealistic because in Korea, even the guilty party has the right to divide marital assets. Shia didn't explain much. Instead, she took on a divorce case similar to her own situation with Jisoo, except this time the victim was the husband. The wife wanted not only half the assets, but also half the shares of a publicly traded company. The man naturally disagreed. Their relationship had broken down 5 years ago, but during those 5 years, the man had repeatedly visited his wife's home to see their child. This gave the opposing side evidence that their relationship hadn't actually broken down. After hearing the man's account, Jisoo felt this case would be very difficult to win, but Shia was confident. She discovered that the client's daughter would turn 18 in 1 week, so she decisively postponed the court date by a week, because no one knows better than children when their parents' relationship truly fell apart. Once the child reached adulthood, her testimony in court would carry legal weight.